Is it a buffalo or the former US president? A rare 700-kilogram pink albino buffalo, signature golden hairstyle. People are traveling miles just to catch a glimpse of this unique animal that looks exactly like the famous billionaire. Beast has already been sold for a massive price, but his fame is only growing. So, do you see the resemblance? Drop a comment below. And if you enjoy these amazing stories, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel right now for more.